Copy AI review. Let's talk about its new features. Now, Copy AI has released some new features on their new model, although the new features are not free. So once you create your account, you need to choose a plan. So here's the plans and the pricing. First is the $29 per month, which is the chat plan. For small teams, this is a starting to drive real business value with AI. It offers 5 seats, unlimited words in chat, unlimited chat projects, and access to these AI models. So it might seem worth it, but I don't recommend this because this website or platform is not free. You will need to invest. So for the enterprise, you need to get a custom demo and a custom pricing. So although they offer hub are resources for marketing, sales, and operations, it's still limited compared to other platforms. And there might be other platforms out there that are free to use. So compared to this platform, you need to invest a lot of money and not get the best results in return. Although it offers custom AI agents that write just like you, it automates workflows, offers you some seats. It might not be worth it if you're a small scale business handler, or if you're just a small influencer or business handler, then it's not worth it. But if you're on a company and you want to invest on more a broader side, then you can just general invest on this and get a pricing plan for only $20 per month. If you like this video, check out these other video recommendations below. Please leave your comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.